Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tally for building app-like forms and workflows, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to sign up using your Google account or email address. Choose your preferred method and enter the necessary information. If you opt to use your email, create a strong password and provide your details. After filling in the required information, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox and open the email from Tally. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the Tally website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the pricing section to explore subscription plans. Compare the features of each plan to determine which best suits your needs. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the payment details and ensure they are accurate. Review your order summary and confirm your subscription. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. You are now ready to start building app-like forms and workflows with Tally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.